This video will show you how to open an Adobe Illustrator file and create a new drawing. So we can go to the File button and create new, or click on this tab. We go to Print Options, select the size of your page, select the units, select the orientation and say Create. When your file has uploaded, this is your artboard. You can use the tools on the side to create your drawing. For our exercises that we will be doing with the laser cutter, the shapes we want are generally these tools here: rectangle, rounded, ellipse, polygon, etc. Or this tool here, the curvature tool. I'll show you how to use both of these now. So the rectangle tool, we select the button, click once to start, and you can enter the size of the rectangle that you're wanting. Let's say we want it 35 by 45, say OK. These tools down here tell you the fill and the outline colour. We can select a transparent fill and a black stroke for this example. If you wanted to create a rectangle, you can also click and drag, and you can see the dimensions in the top right hand corner. If you wanted to create something like a circle or a wheel or a gear, the Ellipse tool will draw a circle to the specifications you enter. So a circle is an ellipse with the identical width and height, or you can click and drag. To create something on a laser cutter like a donut, we would be selecting the Ellipse tool again and draw a circle smaller than the one we had created previously. Let's say we make an inner circle of 10 millimeters, say OK, and then using the black arrow we can highlight to move and drag. If I move these two shapes together by clicking and dragging a marquee around them, I can place them off the artboard. I could also give them a fill for this demonstration. So if I wanted to make it into a donut, so have a shape without a circle inside it, I can select the two shapes, go to the Shape Builder tool and select the part that I would like to be removed. Okay, just going to check if that has worked. Okay, I can delete that in the circle, and you can see now we have a donut shape here. If I change the color of the fill, you can see when we move this now, we have the shape as follows. To create some gears, you might like to first make an axis on each point. If you hold down Shift while you're dragging a line, that will keep it at right angles to the toolpath. You can see if I hold down, I can see also the angle of the line. So if I wanted to create a line at 45 degrees, I can move my cursor until I get to that point, or I could enter that by clicking the dimensions of the line and entering them this way. Click once, 45 degrees, and let's make it 80 millimeters long. So to go back the other way, the opposite of 45, 135 degrees, 80 millimeters long. Can move that to the intersection point. See how the intersection point came up? And then we could create shapes around that. Let's say I create another circle, and this time make it larger. Move that to the center point. Thinking that's probably a bit too big, so I'm going to hold shift and make the size a bit smaller. Look for intersection, a bit smaller. Intersection. So now we have our grid lines.